Let's eat. Come on, let's eat. This is a Thanksgiving party for our class. For our halfway in the course. We have some donuts. Siyempre, hindi mawawala. And there are some pictures na mga stress pa after activity. Ito yung mga pagkain namin dito. Donut, pizza, yung mga ready to eat na lang kasi we don't have time to cook. Lahat kami busy. Ito yung masarap habang nag-aaral ka and then kahit pa paano nakaka-relax minsan yung may ganitong Thanksgiving, nagkakaisa kayo ng buong klase. And habang nag-aaral ka talaga yung stress hindi mawawala. As in, kasi sa dami ng paperworks plus yung puyat, yung pagod mo, you're going to school. Yung isa yun sa mahirap habang nag-aaral ka. And I have my Filipino teacher also dito sa English Language and Literacy. Teacher Elena. And I like the way she teach. Talagang magaling. Iba ang Pinoy. And ito yung mga classmates ko. And tas nung malapit na kami mag-end ng class, we decided to have a Christmas party para mag-exchange gift. And then dinner, this is buffet dinner as in, very full. Shout out also to Sals. She gave us gift for each every one of us. And ito yung part na masaya na malungkot kasi we know that next day, graduation na and we're all busy. Hindi namin alam kung may next banding pa kasi nga medyo malalayo din ang isa't isa and syempre may kanya-kanya ng work, but thankful kasi na-meet ko sila, nagkaroon tayo ng friends dito and nagkaroon tayo ng mga good classmate na yung memories mo sa kanila talagang maaalala mo, good memories. Also to say thankful na naging tutor ka namin sa Solomon Group kasi you teach us very well. Kaya dito sa New Zealand, ang sarap mag-aral kasi kahit na-meet mo lang sila ng bago, hindi ka nila ititreat ng iba. And they are very grateful na magkaroon ng mga new friends. And talagang i-greet ka nila. Kahit first time ka makita, ngingitian ka and then they will ask you, "Hi, how are you?" Hindi sila mga snub, kaya talagang masarap dito mag-aral. Or kahit mag-mall ka, ganun ang gagawin sa'yo. And hindi sila maarte sa foods. Kahit anong pagkain din. Oh my God! Hi, Faye! Lenny! Lovelyn! Hey!
No, she already got her.
Sal!
Yeah, she already got her.
Dance! Our Christmas party with our health and well-being. This Sal's and day for the gift.
Oh, no.
It's like to take a video. Full of gifts. Sorry, they were full of gifts. And syempre, after kainan, matik, photo off, unlimited pictorial for us kasi ito yung last day of classes at the same time last day na magkakasama ng buo kasi tomorrow graduation and ang haggard ko dito, grabe. Ito kasi yung araw ng moving namin ngayon. Moving sa new property. Sobrang pagod. Ilang linggo ako nag-pack. Tapos ngayong araw mismo yung aking paglilipat sa bagong property. Plus dinner namin. Plus pasok pa. Oh my God, sobrang pagod. Pero still, naka-smile pa rin tayo. Next day, after ng Christmas party or dinner, ito na yung happiest part na na-achieve mo na yung pinagharapan mo after how many months, sleepless nights, stress, pagod, and nakaka-depress din yung time na nag-aaral ka kasi pag sama-sama yun, ang dami mong iniisip, ang daming pumapasok sa utak mo na kung ano-ano. Siyempre, lahat ng emotions nagmi-mix, mahirap. But thankful, natapos ko yung isang course again dito sa NJ. Kaya I'm happy na na-achieve ko to. And ito yung pinakamasarap din na-achieve na graduation mo, yung matatanggap mo yung certificate. Ito din yung graduation na may kasabay kami ng ibang course na nagtapos para makita natin or ma-witness natin yung graduation day. This is my second course, pero ito lang yung time na naka-attend ako ng graduation. Our event place here is in Manurewa. Provided din po ito ng school. Kaya pre pa kami. The graduates of computing class. More or less 60 graduates nga po pala kami dito mga mi. And I think nasa 4 or 5 course kami dito. And pre yung venue namin, sagot din ng school, and we receive each certificates, plus may gift pa sa amin yung teachers ng chocolate. And ang sarap kasi meron kaming maliit na cup na may laman lollies or candies, which is very very good remembrance. Talagang itatago mo siya kasi means you are graduate with certificate pa. And during graduation, madali mong madidistinguish kung ano yung nationality ng tao kasi yun yung dress up nila. Kaya ang galing. And my kids keep asking me, Mommy, you never get tired of studying or learning? And my answer is very simple. I never get tired of learning or studying because learning helps me grow and have a better future. Learning never stops. Even adults will still need to learn new things. And also, our brains need to keep learning. When we learn new things, we become smarter and have a better future. It's just like practice, reading at school, and also math. Adults also need to study to learn new things and keep our minds strong. Otherwise, we forget everything. One more reason is studying of this course as a health and well-being student. It also provides the knowledge and skills to improve personal, community, and population health. And also, it can be open for the new doors to a stable and high-demand career, especially if you're working with special needs or with a home for elderly. So it's really important that you know or familiar with this course. Here is my graduation speech for 2 minutes.
I am Maricel. I'm taking Health and Wellbeing Level 2. Today is a very special day for all of us. Standing here for graduation, I feel proud, grateful, and emotional. Completing the Health and Wellbeing course with Solomon Group has been a journey of growth, learning, and resilience. This course taught me that health and well-being is more than just a physical health. It includes our mental, emotional, and social and spiritual well-being. Along the way, I learned the importance of caring myself so I can better support others. There were moments when the workload felt challenging, especially balancing study, work, and personal life. But those challenges helped me build strength, confidence, and perseverance. I would like to thank our tutors, SAY, and staff, especially Tracy for being hands-on, for their patience, guidance, and encouragement. You believe in us even without ourselves. Thank you to our classmates, Hey, Dons, Sas, and Lovely. Thank you for the classmates, the support, laughter, and shared experiences. We lift each other up through the hard times and celebrated the small wins together. I am also grateful for my work placement with the Central School Specialist, where I was able to put my learning into practice and truly understand what person-centered care means. It showed me that kindness, respect, and empathy can make a real difference in someone's life. Today is not just the end of course, but the beginning of new opportunities. I am excited to carry those values forward into my future. To continuing to grow and to support the well-being of others. Congratulations to everyone graduating today. We did it. Thank you.
Sorry na sa speech ko, napakabilis ng pagbabasa ko kasi they only given me 2 minutes para sa graduation speech. Kaya binibisan ko na lang para matapos ko yung aking speech. And thankful kasi nagkaroon ako ng chance na maibahagi ang aking pasasalamat sa and experience ko to my classmates, to school, and life experiences ko during my journey of my studies. When I study here in New Zealand, my quality of life has really improved. Especially, nag-focus talaga ako sa wellness and they often experience enhanced quality of life. I have a better daily activities and able to do meaningful relationship and achieve personal goals. And nagkaroon talaga ako ng me time. I also promoted health and wellness so that I can create a healthier lifestyle and healthier community. There are also some things that could help me feel more positive and able to get the most out of life. Nagkaroon ako ng time or connect with other people, good relationship with others, and also my mental well-being is really positive feedback. And I have a physically active. I get learn new skills. I get learn more to give others. And the most important things, I get to pay attention to the present moment, or we call this mindfulness. And I keep reminded the tutor says that there are 4 key pillars or fundamental for the overall mental health and well-being. Those are mind and mental well-being, body and physical health, spirit and happiness, and the last one is the relationship and community. Itong pillars na to talaga nag-focus sa dimension of the human experience and capture of individual as a whole well-being. Another learning in my course is the 5 C's of well-being in the framework of our mental health, like such as competence, confidence, character, caring, and connection. It emphasizes personal growth, resilience, and healthy relationship in feeling capable for overall mental wellness. And thank you for my partner for always supporting to me sa lahat ng course ko at sa lahat ng future plan. Lagi nakasupport. Thank you, Mr. D. And I know na palagi kang proud sa mga achievements ko. Thank you for that.